Hello, guys. Welcome to Time Out with Yomi Martins. And in this edition, I will be showing you how to use the EBSCO uh, resources, EBSCO library, EBSCO Host mobile, or you can actually also log on to EBSCO on your laptop to access the online library. EBSCO is available for various schools, including Business School Netherlands, and I will be showing you in this tutorial how to use the resource as a student, right? If you're a student of Business School Netherlands, you would have been given the user ID and the password, right? So all you need to do is input the user ID and the password, which I've already done prior to my starting this video. You click on the sign in button. Once you have imputed that, it takes you to this page which shows you EBSCO select resources and all that, EBSCO host websites and all that. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using let me use the business searching interface so that we can do a test run and see how we can navigate based on our various types of search that we want to do and all that. You can use it for any kind of search, whatever you're working on, maths, physics, business, management, research, ethics, and all that stuff. So let's just wait for it to sign on, sign up, sign in, whatever. Okay, internet is a bit slow. Okay, now we are inside the search pages. And the interesting part is that if you want to search, we are going to use an example right now. It has the select a field option and all that stuff. What field do you want to search? Let me say I want to search on, let's say, research. Okay, I type in research. Okay, now what aspect of research do I want to search so that it makes things easier for me? I want to search on research ethics. I put another parameter, ethics. Now, assuming I have another parameter, this will make my search easier. That's why I'm using the functions this way. What aspect of research ethics do I want to search? Research ethics, it might be research ethics for healthcare. Because research ethics in healthcare, business, and all that, they might have a little, the research principles are the same. There are 5 major research ethics principles, but the application in healthcare and business and in social sciences and health sciences might differ a little bit when you are looking at concepts of utilitarianism and all that stuff, right? The good of all, or for social service, social justice and everything. Anyway, I don't want to go into too much details on that since we're talking about EBSCO. So if I have another parameter, I'll put it there again, healthcare. Okay, now I'm not done yet. If I scroll further down, right, it will tell me search options. What options do I have? Am I searching phrases? Am I searching find all my search terms, find any of my search terms and all that stuff? I would like to use, okay, apply related words, also search within the full text of articles. Yes, I want to search within the full text of articles. I want to apply related words, right? find all my search terms. I want to find all my search terms, right? Okay. So you choose the options that are actually applicable to you. Now, I normally work with limit your search full text. I normally use full text, right? Scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Yes, peer-reviewed journals are good for research. So I will normally use peer-reviewed journals. References available. I would like to do that. Now, another important thing is the publication dates. You don't want to use old articles for your research. You want to use articles that are not more than like 3 to 5 years old. I normally even restrict myself to three years because I want more recent articles, right? So let me click on January. We're in 2021. So 3 years back, let's say 2019, right? Then you click till when, the months. I'll go to September 2021. Okay, I'm not done yet. Now, what kind of materials do I want to search? Is it bibliography, book entries, case studies? Select as much as you want to work with. I've selected bibliography. I've selected case study. What else? I'm not searching obituaries, obviously. I'm searching periodicals. Academic journals are very good and they are more recent. So those are my search parameters. You can choose parameters that you can choose speech, you can choose working paper, blah, 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 depending on what you want to search. What else? Product name, company entities. I don't really need that, but if it's applicable to you, look for other things that are applicable to you. If you want charts, color, photography, graphs, and everything, if your research has to do with all that, you put that. So, PDF full text, well, I can work with PDF since I have a converter as well. Okay, so once you select all your parameters, you click on search. Now, as you can see, fine, there are very few articles as it is on the parameters that I've set, right? This is stakeholder involvement in systematic reviews, lessons from Cochrane's Public Health and Health Systems Network. I'm sure when you read this article, you will be able to find things on, what do you call it, on research ethics as it is applicable to the healthcare industry. So for this, we could not find so many items. So what I'm going to do, if you run into this kind of challenge, is just go back to the beginning and restrict your variables to fewer variables. So I'm just going to restrict it to research and ethics. And why we found fewer articles also is because we are using very few years, which is 3 years. So if you want to have more articles, you can actually expand it to like maybe 4 years or thereabout, and you find. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to remove one variable and search again. Okay. Now you can see we have more articles. We have 2 now, right? An exploration into IT programs and their management, findings from multiple case studies, search. It's still not good enough, right? So let's do this again. Let me remove this and put it here on top as research ethics. Search again. We still have just 2. So what we'll do right now is we have to expand the number of years a bit. So I'll go back. Wow, I went out. Don't worry, I'll go back in. Okay, my sign on is already there. I'll go to business search again. I just want to show you this so that you can expand your search results. Research ethics. Okay, so I'm not going to use more than that. So I'm going to use find all my search terms, my apply related words, also search within full text articles, full text, scholarly peer-to-peer review. I'm going to expand my years now. January, let's say 2015 to September 2021. Okay, I'll increase books, academic journals, periodicals, newspaper. I'll increase the types of materials I want: working papers, speeches, editorials, correction notices, what else? Reports, articles, book reviews, periodicals. I've increased my parameters right now. Now, I go back to search. I should have more results now. Okay, you can see now we have 18,888, right? But the idea is this: the more you limit your the variables for your search, the fewer items you have, so you don't have to go through so many materials. You can just be able to identify the ones that fit in well to what you want to search. That's why we always use the variables we are searching for here. You put the main one and then another, and so it limits your field and all that. So just play around it, find what works for you. Till I see you in another video, enjoy using the EBSCO host for your research, and remember to always use the appropriate referencing standards. Do enjoy your day. Leave me a like for this video if it makes sense to you, and if you want to subscribe, you are very welcome to do that. Till I see you in another video, take care of yourself and happy studying. Bye for now.